savannas and oceans, the changes to come. Climate change is a recurring issue in today's society. Climate change is affecting everywhere, including savannas and oceans. Global warming is really affecting us today because it causes us to have many severe natural disasters. Global warming can affect the weather. For example, the earth can get hotter or can get colder. According to Laura Williams, many animals can be pushed to extinction based on reduced snow cover, rising sea levels, and temperature and weather conditions. It could also affect us humans because global warming can cause natural disasters that can be fatal, such as hurricanes and earthquakes. In the past, the Earth has gone through many changes affecting our climate. Over 200 years, the Earth's atmosphere has changed significantly and led to global warming on the Earth. Savannas. One of the places that can get very affected is savannas. Savannas are located in Africa, Australia, and South America. Savannas are tall grasslands and have little plant biodiversity, but the animals are very diverse. One type of animal that lives in the savanna is the African elephant. Koalas, Grant's zebras, caracals, black mambas, African wild dogs, lions, emu, and baboons also live in savannas. Savannas have scattered shrubs and trees. The jackalberry tree, manketty tree, river bush willow, and elephant grass all thrive in the savanna. There is also a high amount of precipitation in the summertime. There is a distinct dry season in the winter. The temperature range in the savanna is 68 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer and 68 degrees to 76 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. Because of its high latitudes and it is near rainforest, it stays pretty warm year-round. Climate change is affecting savannas. Climate change today could completely wipe out the African savannas. We don't live in savannas though, so how does it affect us? The savanna dying out would affect all of mankind. They could turn into deserts, and then those animals and the humans that live in that climate range could be extinct. Oceans. Another place that can get very affected by climate change is oceans. Farmers use chemicals to stop bugs from going onto the plants. The chemicals can seep through the ground and get into the water. By farmers doing that, the animals can get affected. For example, sea turtles. They are harmless little creatures that can get very affected by just living in the oceans. Certain sea turtles can be endangered. We drive cars and burn fossil fuels every day to use energy. When we burn fossil fuels, We release carbon dioxide, or CO2, back into the air. The ocean absorbs the CO2 and makes the ocean much warmer. When the ocean becomes warmer, the ocean starts to rise. A rise in ocean levels affects coastal cities and oceanic animals. We need some of these oceanic animals, such as fish and the other seafood we eat. Conclusion. In conclusion, global warming can affect climate change in all different ways. It affects all of these different organisms, and if we don't stop it, then we can end up hurting the human population. The earth could soon become completely uninhabitable, and we could lose our home. We should all do our part to try to fix things, and maybe we can make a change from what everybody thinks is going to be bad. We could change the future, one step at a time.